In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmails to Google Drive. Start by heading to your Gmail inbox and opening the message you want to keep. The goal is to create a clean, shareable copy of the email that you can store in Drive, and the simplest way to do that is to turn the email into a PDF first. Take a moment to make sure the message is fully loaded on screen before you move on. If the email includes an attachment that you want to reference while saving, click the attachment so it's visible and easy to review. With the email open, look for the printer icon, usually near the top right of the message, and click Print. This opens the print preview window where you can capture exactly what's on the screen. In the print window, choose Save as PDF as the destination. Check that the pages, layout, and margins look correct, then click Save. When your computer prompts you, give the file a clear name, something that will make it easy to find later, and save it in a location you'll remember, like your Downloads folder or a dedicated email archives folder. Now, switch over to Google Drive. Make sure you're in My Drive so the file lands in your main storage area. If you're not there already, click My Drive to bring it into focus. Next, click the New button in the upper left. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. This opens your file picker so you can select the PDF you just created. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PDF, select it so it's highlighted, and then click Open. Google Drive will begin the upload right away. Watch for the upload indicator in the lower corner of the screen. Once you see the check mark, you'll know the file has finished uploading successfully. You should now see the PDF listed in My Drive. To confirm everything looks good, click the uploaded file to open the preview. Scroll through to make sure the entire email is captured clearly and that any key details are included. If anything looks off, you can repeat the process with adjusted print settings for a cleaner result. That's all there is to it. You opened the email in Gmail, used print to save it as a PDF, and then uploaded that PDF to Google Drive via My Drive, New, and File Upload. For easier organization later, use consistent file names and keep your saved PDFs in one place so you can find them quickly when you need them. Thanks for following along.